God is saying to you today, you held on during the toughest of times. I gave you strength to endure that at times you did not even know it was me. When things changed for you, many left you and wrote you off. But not only did you endure the storm, you grew in the storm. 333. Don't be so hard on yourself. Everything happens for a reason. Our mistakes are not meant to define us. They happen as lessons so we can distinguish right from wrong and help steer us on a path for us to make better decisions for ourselves, as well as to figure out and evolve into who we are destined to become. God is saying to you today, rest. I am already at work. I will turn around every negative situation in your life. I will bless you and your family. I will heal every place you are hurting. Don't wait for tomorrow to come. At any time you can make a change. Start exercising. Cut off toxic relationships. Take a trip to your favorite place. Throw away clutter. All it takes is a single decision. Understand that the universe is giving you challenges to help you to become the greatest version of yourself. Your guardian angel is diligently toiling away to guard and look after you, showering blessings on your family and abode, and making certain that you lead a joyful and fulfilling existence. Your charitable actions will not go unnoticed, and you will be repaid in kind for being so generous with your time and resources. Allow your guardian angel to serve as your illuminating beacon, pointing you away from potentially negative influences and toward a future that is rich in love, joy, and abundance. If you put your trust in your guardian angel, you may rest assured that they will be by your side at all times and will look after your needs in every facet of life. If you allow yourself to be loved and protected by your guardian angel, you will have a life that is rich with many blessings. God is saying, I'm giving you signs every day in your sleep, on your timeline, in your conversation, in the radio, in the sky. So pay attention to them in synchronicity, piece them together, you will notice a pattern. Today your lucky number will be 1010 when you see it. Pay close attention to your thoughts. 555. You are going to celebrate something very special soon. You'll be so full of joy and so full of happiness. It will almost seem out of this world how suddenly it all happens for you. Be ready for it. Expect it. It's happening. No matter what anyone tells you, every day you wake up and you survive. Through the tough times and the times you thought you just couldn't go on, you absolutely did. You are smashing it. You are so much stronger than you think. You are so much braver than you think. Never forget this. How to manifest. 1. Decide what you want. 2. Feel the energy of your desire. 3. Visualize your desire. 4. Release limiting beliefs. 5. Believe in your ability to manifest. 6. Take inspired action. 7. Allow the process to unfold. Type yes if this speaks to you. 555. God will use the very thing that others thought would break you to build and bless you. So let them throw bricks, they're just laying the foundation to your next blessing. God is saying to you today, I will bring you out of the darkest hour and use it to promote you. My child, come to me with great expectation, knowing that I am your God. I'm bringing you out of frustration. I am bringing you out of limitation. 1010. Trust the universe. Every negative thing that has made you cry over the years will fade away and be replaced with happiness, laughter, love, and blessings. Don't beg and don't chase. Instead, attract what you want through the positive vibrations you give. You will find that soon enough what belongs to you will simply find its way to you. You have the power to attract anything. Are you ready? Affirm new car, new job, new home, and new life. The universe is making a way for you right now. 333. You're going to be promoted to a massively good place for you. You will experience so much happiness that everyone around you will be filled with faith and joy. The moment you start believing that life is good is the moment you will start to feel like life is good. There is so much beauty. There is so much to be thankful for, and you have time to make this your best life. If you're seeing this divine sign from the higher realm, this is your direct confirmation that you'll make it. Believe it. No matter what it looks like right now, God is going to send blessings, solutions, healing, love, and positive change your way. Amen. You are approaching your dreams fast, really fast. But first, the universe is asking you to release the burdens surrounding your finances and have faith that all is working out. Changes don't always have to be massively big. They can be subtle but incredibly powerful. Progress is individual to everyone. We are with you every step along your journey. You have to let go of feelings that no longer bring positivity into your life. You do not need to prove yourself to others. You do not need to put yourself at the bottom of the priority list. You matter. God's plan is to prosper you, to put you in another level, for you to experience His greatness. God has something big in your future. It's time to ask, believe, and see God work in your life. You belong to Him and you are free. Free from sin, free from shame, free from guilt, free from your past. God has good plans for your future. He is fighting for you. 888. The universe is removing toxicity from your way. Money is coming your way. Love is coming your way. You're going to be happier than you've ever been. Type 888 to affirm it.